Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Today we are discussing for 10 free Bootstrap courses in Udemy. Okay, the first course is Bootstrap for Quick Start Code Modern Responsive Website. So this is the first course, Bootstrap for Quick Start Code Modern Responsive Website. Learn the new features of Bootstrap 4 and Code 3 responsive websites. Okay, you will learn these code responsive website in the Bootstrap 4 and understand how to use in the new features in Bootstrap 4 and modify old Bootstrap 3 website to work best in Bootstrap 4 and set up efficiency website project workflow, install and compile CSS for Bootstrap project and build a modern startup leading pages. Okay, so go to check the introduction video. The introduction video duration is 4 minutes and 17 seconds.
For Alpha tutorial, my name is Brad Hussey from bradhussey.ca and codecollege.ca, and in this course I'm going to be taking you through what's new in Bootstrap 4, all the new features, plus we're going to be building 3 custom websites using the updated framework. So let's jump in. So what's new in Bootstrap 4? With over 120,000 new lines of code, Mark Otto and Jacob Thornton, the creators of Bootstrap, and the open source community of Bootstrappers out there have pushed Bootstrap 4 well into its alpha phase.
Okay, I will give the video link in the description. Okay, and this course demanding video duration is 3 hours and 58 minutes. 1,27,645 students are enrolling this course. And go to the next video course is Bootstrap 4 Create a Leading Pages. Okay, this is the next course, and you will learn to this course learn how to create a leading page using Bootstrap 4 beta, and learn how to create a fixed navigator bar, and learn how to use the Scrollify component from Bootstrap, and learn how to create a gem button, and learn how to embed a YouTube video responsibly. Okay, etc. And let's go to check the introduction video.
In this course, you will learn how to create a landing page with the Bootstrap 4 framework. This page features a fixed navbar using the scroll by component so that the links is highlighted when you scroll the page. It also features a smooth scroll jQuery plugin so that the scrolling happens as an animation when you click these links.
Okay, and this video demanding duration is 2 hours and 2 minutes. Okay, and 21,215 students are enrolling this course, and course content is the course is for the beginner who want to get a quick introduction to the latest version of Bootstrap 4 beta by creating a unique responsive leading page. Okay, and the next video is introduction to Bootstrap 3. An introduction to the basic feature of the Twitter Bootstrap 3, including the grade system, responsive utility and mixing. Okay, and this course you will learn to become familiar with the basic feature of Bootstrap 3 and get you to know that different component of version 3 and explore some of the difference between version 2.x and version 3.x, etc. Okay, and check out the introduction.
Welcome to the course. My name is Amin Megani, and basically in this video I'm going to give you a very general overview of the Bootstrap framework and the things that we will be covering throughout this course. So let's get started. Here I'm at getbootstrap.com. As you can see, you have access to different sections and they're obvious, but I'm going to go through them anyways. So in the Get Started section, as you might guess, you have access to basic templates, basic examples, and
okay, and this course duration is 2 hours and 34 minutes demanding video, and 19,787 students are watching this course, and That's all. And the next course is understanding Bootstrap grid and columns. Save your web development time by become a master in Bootstrap grid and columns. Okay, and this course you will learn to build a content layout with a Bootstrap grid system and save web development time by understanding the Bootstrap column and rows effectively. Okay, let's check out the introduction video. Okay, and this course only 14-minute demanding video, and the enroll count is 11,737 students. Okay, and the next course is complete Bootstrap 4 course, build 3 projects. A complete Bootstrap 4 course for beginners, master Bootstrap 4 basic with 3 projects. Okay, and this is one of the best course in the Bootstrap courses. 4 hours and 54 minutes demanding video. Okay, and you will learn to this course full understanding of Bootstrap 4 code and designing responsive web page in Bootstrap 4, and will be able to read the documentation on your own. Let's watch the introduction video.
Hi, and welcome to Complete Bootstrap 4 course. A course that will walk you through with the ins and outs of the Bootstrap 4, as well as will walk you through with the projects so that you can apply all of the things that you have learned in the course in a real life experience of projects. My name is Hitesh and I have been programming for over 10 years. After a successful launch of a huge number of boot camps like on iOS development, web development, and React.js. Now finally I'm back with a super awesome Bootstrap 4 course. My specialty is to teach a topic in a fun and engaging manner so that students get a best learning experience. You will learn about the all ins and outs of the Bootstrap in this course, and majorly we are going to focus on 3 main points that we'll be learning in this course. Number 1, we are going through with the syntax and every highlights of the Bootstrap 4, regardless that you have some experience of Bootstrap 3 or not. This is a complete course from the scratch.
Okay, so next course is code mobile first website rapidly with Emmet and Bootstrap 4. Okay, and you will learn to this course. By the end of the course you will be able to create HTML and CSS web page quickly and easily in less time. Okay, course demanding duration is 2 hours and 31 minutes only. Okay, and let's watch the introduction video.
Hello and welcome to Faster HTML and CSS workflow with Emmet and Bootstrap 4. In this video course, you will learn how to use a popular plugin Emmet and Bootstrap framework to create responsive and mobile-friendly websites quickly and easily. Emmet is a free plugin that lets you write small abbreviations, and when you hit Tab or Ctrl E,
okay, I will give the course link in description. Okay, next I will show you how to take the course. Click the enroll and start course. Okay, this is the course. Okay, and these total 6 sections are available in the course and 28 lectures including in the course. Okay, so guys, the all courses are available lifetime. Okay, so you can check anytime. The next course is learn Bootstrap designing a custom leading page in Bootstrap 4. Use the latest and greatest Bootstrap 4 to turn a boring leading page into a great 1 and learning design tips 2. Okay, you will learn to this course build a Bootstrap application quickly and effectively, and use Survey Bootstrap for features, and learn how to use different Bootstrap themes, web, Bootwatch or other sites, and know what make a modern website look awesome, and learn basic designing tips and how to apply Bootstrap to them, and use an impression being in several features such as a navigate bar, course, sales and cards, columns and bottom and more. Okay, these all things are available including this course, and let's watch the introduction video.
Hello everyone, and thank you so much for showing interest in this course. If you want to learn how to build beautiful web apps quickly and efficiently, you've come to the right place. In this course, you will learn how to use Bootstrap to make flawless looking websites. We will be using the latest and greatest Bootstrap 4 framework, a framework built to make mobile-friendly applications quickly and efficiently. We will learn tons of features in Bootstrap 4, as well as some design tips along the way. The main part of the course will be focused on turning this bland landing page.
Okay, the next this course demanding duration is 1 hour and 30 minutes, and 16,149 students are enrolling this course. Okay, and next course is rapid website designing with Bootstrap. Learn how to use Bootstrap to apply classes to HTML page for styling, make responsive website from scratch quickly. And this course you will to learn create a Bootstrap website and apply Bootstrap classes for rapid web development, and use Bootstrap as a framework for web designing and development. Okay, let's watch this introduction video.
Bootstrap helps you create web pages faster. Connect the Bootstrap framework to your web projects to access amazing classes that can easily be added to HTML pages to create styling. Bootstrap also provides a number of commonly used components that can also be added with classes and attributes into your web pages. This course is designed to show you how to build your own custom website from scratch using Bootstrap as the framework. Bootstrap has you.
Okay, the next course is Bootstrap for website build from scratch in 1 hour. Okay, explore how to create amazing fully responsive website from scratch step by step, how to add Bootstrap to your web page. Okay, this course duration is only 1 hour and 42 minutes, and you will learn to this course create a website using Bootstrap, and use Bootstrap classes to designing website and mobile ready responsive website designing. Okay, let's watch the introduction video.
Learn to create your own mobile-ready, fully responsive website from scratch. Rapid web development with Bootstrap. Starting from scratch with a blank web page, this course will show you how to take this blank file and create a website from it. Best of all, once you become familiar with Bootstrap, you can create websites like the one within the course in under 1 hour. Source code is also included, so you too can follow along with the course content and create a website upon completion of this course. Learn why Bootstrap is so popular. Guaranteed that once you start using Bootstrap, you're gonna love it. Single page websites are super popular. Web visitors like to interact with the content and have it all presented within one place. Add in jQuery animation for scrolling.
Okay, the next course is the last and final course in the video, Bootstrap migrating from previous versions. Get to understanding upcoming changes with Bootstrap 4 and how to upgrade Bootstrap 3. Okay, and this course you will learn to update Bootstrap 3 to Bootstrap 4 website, and create a Bootstrap 4 website, and explore how you can use Bootstrap to rapidly development website, and use Bootstrap for better website designing. Okay, and let's watch this introduction video.
Bootstrap is the most popular HTML, CSS, and JavaScript framework in the world. for building responsive, mobile-first projects on the web. Bootstrap provides the ability to rapidly create modern websites that are fully responsive. With the announcement of Bootstrap 4, many websites potentially will need to be updated. In addition, building current Bootstrap sites should be made compatible with Bootstrap 4. Many students have asked me what they can do to prepare for Bootstrap 4 and how they can make their websites compatible with Bootstrap 4. In this course, I show you how to explore what's new with Bootstrap 4, see comparisons between Bootstrap 3 and Bootstrap 4 code for the most popular and commonly used classes, find out what's
Okay, and this course duration is 1 hour and 34 minutes only, and 4,795 students are enrolled this course. Okay, and I will give you all the link in the description. Do check it out. So that's all for now. Hope you find this video is useful, guys. To get more update about free online courses and other awesome contents, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you very much.